Well, let's go just right question because we have so many of them. You didn't play today, but can we have a little comments about match, how you guys played?
It's always hard to say something after a loss, but I think we had a bad start. We were on the top of our game, and at the end we got we didn't take attention in our defensive zone, and at the end of the 5-3 we didn't shoot. We should have take shots, but we couldn't do it today. So we're looking forward to the other game.
Joo, siinä lyhyet kommentit pelistä. Toi alku oli vähän heikko, mutta sitten päästiin mukaan. Sitten taas loppua kohden toi puolustuspää ei ihan niin hyvin toiminut, mutta ja sitten keskellä ylivoima meni hukattiin siinä. Mutta ensi pelissä sitten parempi. Your season, you was already fan favorite before you played any games, but 4 games and only 5 goals against and 3 wins and 1 overtime loss. I guess you can be quite happy for that.
Yes, I'm very happy. I couldn't imagine my Samliga start any better like this, and it was a team effort. So the guys helped me out a lot, and I'm very happy that the crowd is very happy for me, and it makes my job easier. And I can't forget that the first game against Saipa when I saw the Hungarian flags and they were, saying Dia Hungaria, and I also heard that during the New Year's Eve at midnight, some guys saying Dia Hungaria. And then when I went there and asked them, why are you guys saying that? And they said, because we have a Hungarian goalie, and I was like, oh my god. So I had to take a shot, and that's it.
Joo, eli siitä lyhyesti toi tietty 4 peliä, 5 maalia vasta päästetty ja todella onnellinen ja tyytyväinen siitä, mitä on lähtenyt käyntiin ja on todella otettu ollut faneista ja toi just Unkarin liput siellä katsomassa ja huudet ja uutena vuotenakin oli sitten tavattu jotain porukkaa huutelemassa. I believe you came in Finland to get coaching to become a better goalie and so on. Do you see that you have advanced?
Yeah, I think I have improved from the summer. My goal when I came here was exactly to be a better goalie, and I think this is the right spot where you can be better every day goalie practices, and we didn't have everything in Hungary. So this is a big advantage for me, and I would like to stay here for longer times. But it's gonna depend on my season this year. So I have to give 200% because 100 is not enough in this league, and we'll see.
Kehityksestä, tai mitä on täällä Suomessa oppinut ja saanut valmennusta. Unkarissa ei tietenkään toi valmennus ole ihan niin pitkälle vietyä kuin Suomessa, joten täällä on kesän aikana ja kauden myötä katsoa, että on oppinut paljon uutta ja toivoo, että pystyy myös jatkamaan täällä pitkään, mutta vielä on tietenkin epävarmaa, että itsestähän se ei ole täysin kiinni. You played in Austrian and Hungarian leagues. Is there a big difference between Finland?
Yeah, you can't compare those leagues with the SM Liga. There are big differences.
What about Mestis?
I think the Austrian league is better than Mestis, but SM Liga is way better than the Austrian league. But anyways, it's hard to tell what are the differences because I think Finland is 100 years. Finland has 100 years advantage in hockey than Hungary. So I think it makes no sense to explain the differences because you guys have more teams here, more money in the hockey, more fans, and back in Hungary the hockey is not so popular, so more like soccer, but it's still that I think we are better in soccer than Finland, but we're talking about hockey.
Joo, eli Suomen ja Itävallan kautta Unkarin eroista, niin Itävallan liiga nyt mestistä parempi ehkä Lontoossa, mutta SM-liigaan niin ei mitenkään verrattavissa, että Suomessa ollaan selvästi edellä. Ja Unkariin nähden tietenkin Suomessa on historiaakin niin pitkältä ajalta, että senkin takia pelin taso on paljon kovempi. You are a regular player in Hungary national team. Do you think there's coming new guys to challenge you for the first spot?
Yeah, of course. The goalie position in the Hungarian national team was always hard because we have experienced goalies. We have one guy who's playing now in the CHL, but years back he won the Calder Cup and the Memorial Cup. So I think he's the number one now, but I have to work for the number one spot like always. So, but I think it's a good thing if you have to compete with the other guys. It makes you better, makes you a better athlete, and this is for your advantage if you have to compete every year. So that's it.
Joo, Unkarin maajoukkueessa sieltä on paljon kokemusta nyt viime vuosilta, mutta maalivahdin paikka on kovasti kilpailtu myös siellä, että kokeneita vahtoja on olemassa vastaan ja näin. Mennään tästä eteenpäin. How do you like living in Helsinki?
Actually, I'm not living in Helsinki. I used to live in Helsinki downtown. That was great. But actually, I really love the staying here in Finland. I think it's very good. The summer, I was surprised when I came here in the summertime. There was sunshine and it was warm, and I expected different. And I was a little bit disappointed because we didn't have snow at the Christmas time. And I told my family that's why I came here, because of the White Christmas. I couldn't make it even in Finland. But anyway, I love the energy of the city. I think it's very busy in the summertime. Now it's a little bit darker, but that's part of life.
Joo, siitä Suomessa asumisesta tykkää todella paljon, ja kesällä kun tuli, niin oli vähän yllätyskin, kun oli niin aurinkoista ja lämmintä ja näin edelleen, mutta sitten vastaavasti pettymykseksi jouluna ei ollutkaan lunta, ja se oli suurin pettymys tälle kaudella varmaan. Let's take a couple of fun questions here.
Heitä mitä meidän
what is your favorite food?
Magateria has burger.
Okay. Have you ever played Spyro the Dragon? I guess it's video game.
I haven't heard about that. What platform is that? PlayStation or? I haven't heard about that. I always play at NHL.
On vähän pelitottumuksesta. Spyro ei ollut tuttu, mutta NHL on kovassa käytössä. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I do.
So many disappointing faces. Eli varattu mies, pitäkää näppinne erossa. Well, there's still this one. If we'll win the league, will you dance topless?
Of course I.
Jos voitetaan mestaruus, niin ilman paitaa vedetään. I have to give you this. I don't understand what this is.
Szia, mit gondol? Ausztria ön csodálatos. Kitos.
Okay. Then last two questions. How many words have you learned Finnish?
I think I learned the basic hockey languages, how to, to speak course language, but I know a couple of, I don't know, Säsingo, Tuplaamburilainen.
Mä oon tosiaan lätkäsanojen lisäksi opittu suomea muuta. Turn of the last, what have you said to the fans?
Thank you guys that that I could become your organization. I become your that I can belong to your family. It's a very big thing for a Hungarian guy, and now I don't feel like I'm a stranger here. So thanks for that. I hope I can play better and better.
And then some applaudit via.